in my car. I want this shit forever, man. Last name ever, first name greatest. I want this shit forever. My name is Winona Jordan. No, fuck. She insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Dino, no, it's like, where the fuck is he at? DJ Break 'em all. Yeah.